Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will be trade on variable volume analysis. So you can see here the market is going up and I'm looking for signals. So I will be trade only I will be trade only strong signals. So I'm looking for strong signals for placing a trade on here. Okay, so I got the sell signals in here. You can see this is the resistance level in previously, and the market was making the new higher high, and it was market is going for U-turn in here, and it was a resistance level. And if you see the if you see in here, we can see the sellers entry, we can see the strong sellers entry in that point. So in here the POC point has been existing here, strong resistance level in, and if you see the tick volumes, it's going to be weak when the market is going up, and you can see the P-shaped distribution curve has been closed at the levels. That's why the market has go down from that level. So you can see I have won this trade in here. It was very easy trade. If you know how to analyze the variable, you will be easily getting more easier signals in from here. It will be very strong signals. It's providing very strong signals for you, but you have to be know how to use it first properly. Okay, so the market is going down. You can see the market is going down, and here I have situated support levels. So sellers is getting weak in here. Okay, you can see the market is try to reverse from here because we have a levels exist. Let's try to go up. Okay, I'm not getting any signals, strong signals yet. I'm waiting for strong signals. Actually, in this variable analysis, you have to be focused on two volumes in here, flexible volumes, and you can see the fixed volume. So both are important in here, and you can see the tick volumes also. So in the tick volume, if you know how to analyze the tick volume, so it will be very easier for you to take a decision for placing the trade in here. Okay, I'm looking for a good opportunity for placing the trade. Still I'm not finding any good opportunity for me. The market is going down. Okay, so market has chances to go more down. I'm looking for strong levels. Still I'm not finding any strong signals. Okay, the market is going for breakout these levels, so I'm looking for the good opportunity. market there are chances to go more down from here, so I'm looking for a good entry point. Still market is going down. We don't have any strong levels. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we have a good levels. I'm looking for a good opportunity for placing the trade. Actually, I got a signals in here. Here's the levels. Okay, market did not touches my levels, that's why I didn't place my trade in here. I'm still looking for strong signals, because if you hurry up in here, you will be losing the trade. But if you are patient and if you have a good patience for placing a trade, you will be getting the strong signals. So it's better to losing the money if you waiting for the strong signals. It will so I'm looking a strong signals where I can make the money. Still don't have any signals. Okay, I had the signals in here. Actually it was the levels, and there have a chances to market go down, but I missed the entry point. Okay, I'm looking at another opportunity. Can see if I place my trade in here, I have won this trade, but for my bad luck I missed the entry point in here. That's why I have lost the trade. I didn't place a trade in here. I'm looking for a good opportunity. Still I'm looking for a good opportunity. If I miss the entry point, I missed. I never try to place any late entry. So it's better if you waiting for the good entry point where you can easily make the money. This is a strong levels in here. Okay, late entry. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, now explain why I have been placed my trade in here. First of all, you can see the market is downtrend. Okay, strong downtrend, and the market is making here the new high. Okay, so when the market is making the new lower high, and it was waiting for, I was waiting for the retest in here, and you can see the market in the variable, it was the strong levels. The POC point exists in the variable, the both side volumes, and you can see the tick volumes was increasing, the red volumes was increasing, which is the sign of the reversal. Okay, and that's why I have been placed my put option, and in that, and this is also the round number levels. Okay, which is the where is involved the high number of sellers, and what is involved is smart money in there. That's why I have been placed my trade put option from that level. So this is the today video. If you have any questions about my trade, so you can ask the questions in the comment section, and if you like this video, you can please place the like button, and if you think that this is the useful video for you, please share this video with your friends. So take care, bye bye.